Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about how I manage depression. If you join me before, or if you're my follower, or you have watched the first video, you will see why I lost my first business. So I was able to um, explain everything, and I promised to do a video part two on how I manage depression. Because as I said before in the video, during that period, I lost my business and also I lost my father. So I became depressed. Nothing like the first symptom to notice, the symptoms that I noticed that period was fatigue. And I noticed that things that makes me happy before doesn't make me happy anymore. And it was very sad event, and I was not happy. I was not feeling like, to be in this world again, because it's like my dream has crumbled. And I was not even working that period because of corona lockdown or something like that. So it was a very difficult moment for me. Yeah. So I was able to manage it in my own little way. First of all, number one thing I did is that I get close to God. I don't know how religious you are, but I start praying often. I start reading the Bible. I start listening to gospel music and, meditating in it. So the second thing I did, I start, exercising regularly and try to get my mind off. I start watching movies. I start, you know what I mean? Any movie that makes me happy, anything that makes me happy, that I know that this movie could take my mind off my worries. I start watching them. I started also, talking to family often. Yeah, although they were in another country, so I start talking to my family very often, so that, I want to just take my mind off that. And the biggest thing I did was I start searching why I failed my business. So that was when I now decided to go back. I start taking online courses about business. So when I start taking the online courses, the thing was taking my mind away, and I would take it because they will always give you exams in a online course. So every time I take exam, I keep seeing myself, I keep passing the exams. I was like, oh wow, I think it's time for me to go back to school and other things. So I started processing my admission. I get into university, and tarara, I'm a business graduate. Yes. So I graduated last year, October. Yeah. So all the stories is all about, I want to motivate anybody that is going through depression. Don't give up. Depression is a very bad sickness for anybody. It's a very bad, let me call it sickness, because people don't really understand how you feel. It's you that is passing through it that understand how you feel. Like, it's a very sad thing. When I call it sickness, it's a sickness. It's a sickness. But this sickness is that it's like people around you will not understand deeply how you are feeling. Hang in there. Don't give up. You are a fighter. You can do this. You are a very strong person. If nobody tells you, trust me, I'm telling you right now, you are a fighter. You are a strong person. You can overcome any kind of depression, trust me. But you have to put your mind on it. You have to be determined that you don't want to go down because of depression. Troubles will come. It will come. Troubles will always come. But always know that no matter how the trouble is, no matter how the situation comes, that you will always overcome. Just take it as this is one of the challenges of life. that God is trying to prepare you to go to another level, that the universe is preparing you to go to another level. Just take it like that. I don't know how religious you are, but even if you don't believe in any kind of religion, but just believe that universe is trying to direct you to another level. If it means changing the country, just do that. If it means, changing the place you are, maybe moving in with your friends, just do that. If it means studying more, just do that. Anything that can make you know that it will take your mind off of it, just do that. That's exactly how I overcome depression. That is exactly how I did not allow depression to take my life. That is exactly how I was able to be a better person because of from my failure, from the lesson I learned, I was able to become a better person. So I know that you that is watching me right now can make such move, you can do whatever you want to do. Just put your mind on it. You can overcome depression. You can overcome any kind of temptation. You can overcome anything that you put your mind on. Let me tell you something. If you kill yourself, if you take your life because of depression, do you know where you will go after you are gone? Do you think maybe that place you think is a peaceful place? Have you been there? Do you know how you will feel there? Do you know if this world is doing better than that place you think you are going? This is something you should think about. Trust me. Just follow my steps that I just said now. You will come back and thank me later. Try to read, even if you don't like to read, even if you don't want to study, try to find a hobby that will take your mind off your problems. Try to do something. Try to go out with your friends. Try to be, not fake happy. Just try to force yourself to be happy. You can do this, trust me. You can. If I can do that, you can do that. If I'm able to overcome, you can be able to overcome. Don't say I can't, I'm too weak. No, you are not too weak. You are not too weak. You are one of the strongest person that I have ever known. I might not know you in person, but I can feel your energy that you're a very strong person. You're a very strong man. You are a very strong woman. Don't allow what you are passing through now to take you away from your happiness in the future. What is coming might be bigger than what you lost. You know what I mean? If I did not lose my business, I will not go study business. If I do not study business, I will not be able to move to Germany. If everything just happened, I graduated in Germany, in a German university. So you see, my business that I lost opened my eyes that I can actually study this. My curiosity opened my eyes to move forward. So you see, I want you to take the same bold step. I want you to be that better person. I want you to do this, even if not for you. Do it for other people that will be looking up to you. Do it for your children. Do it for the generation. Yeah. It doesn't want it. It doesn't want to take your life. It doesn't want to, to end it all. It doesn't want it. It doesn't want it. You might be thinking after doing this, you just go and rest. No. Who told you that is rest that place you want to go? Who told you? Have you been there? As I said before, be kind to yourself. Nobody can love you more than you do love yourself. So you have to love yourself for the universe to love you. You have to love yourself to be able to attract love. You have to love yourself to be able to overcome any kind of thing that comes your way. You are a very strong person. You are so beautiful. You are so handsome. You are so nice. Who told you that you are not nice enough? Who told you you are not good enough? Don't allow any kind of evil voices to distract you, because every voice, every negative voice always come whenever they will see that you are going to prosper in life. Today, I'm a proud business owner in Germany. That's the story for another day. So I'm going to end this. So thank you so much for being here, and I'm so happy to see all of you again, and I'm so happy you click on my video to watch. Thank you so much, and please subscribe, like, share, and comment. It will motivate me to do more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.